Another trip around the sun.
मीमो जन्मदिन मुबारक हो।
Make a wish right
जियो
now.
हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000।
Everybody sing H to the A to the PPY. Time to celebrate another year gone by.
Happy birthday to you।
Take 502. 3, 2, 1.
ओए शानू की मम्मी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Time to celebrate another year gone by. H to the A to the PPY.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mimo. Happy birthday to you. किसी दे दे।
Happy birthday, Mimo. We love you. Say happy birthday, Mimo.
Yeah, happy birthday. Wish we were together, and we will soon be.
Time to celebrate another year gone by. H to the A to the PPY.
Happy birthday, Mimo. Happy birthday, Mimo. Happy birthday, Mimo.
Happy birthday, Mimo. Dun, dun, dun.
মিমো হ্যাপি বার্থডে। খুব 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 ভালো থাকিস, খুব ভালোভাবে আরো সামনের দিনগুলো আরো কাটা। লটস অফ লাভ।
Have a happy birthday. H to the A to the PPY. Time to celebrate another year gone by. H to the
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Mimo. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Davina. God bless you. Hope you get all the success.
खुश रहो, आशीर्वाद।
May all your dreams come true. यावी की तरफ से भी happy birthday.
Mimo, happy birthday.
बर्थडे।
Enjoy the life, enjoy the day. God bless you today.
Happy birthday, our sweet little Mimo. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay happy, and stay healthy. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mimo Devi. I don't have much to say apart from the fact that I'm proud to be your younger brother, proud to be your baby, and I love you and I miss you. I hope to see you soon. Jaldi aa jao.
To you. Happy birthday to you.
तेरा आलू पोस्तो और लाल माछे झोल यहाँ पे वेट कर रहा है। लव यू ऑल बाबा।
लव यू मिमो।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा मीमो। बहुत सारा प्यार बेटा। बहुत दिन हो गए हैं, अभी जल्दी से अब कलकत्ता का ट्रिप बनाओ। सानवी से भी मिलने का मन होता है। ठीक है, आओ कड़ी चावल बनाना है, बहुत दिन हो गए। बहुत सारा प्यार बेटा, खुश रहो।
Hi भाभी, happy birthday. Hello Mimo. How are you? Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you Mimo. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you Mimo. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Masi. I can't believe that we have never met. It doesn't feel like it. And I can't tell you how excited I am to see you for the first time. And I hope that's pretty soon. And I've heard you are a very good dancer, as Mama tells us.
Yes, I'm a very good cook also.
And undoubtedly a very good Masi, of course. I hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mimo. खुश रहो बेटा।
बेटा, वाहिगुरु जी bless you.
Hi Davina. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Mimo.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Davina.
Happy lockdown birthday. Hope you have a lovely day celebrating you.
Yeah, and last year was a write-off, so you're still technically 30, so enjoy your 30th. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Mimo. Loads and loads of love to you. We are so lucky to have you as our daughter. And you're so charming, so adorable, so loving. The way you keep the whole family connected. And again, we are so happy and lucky to have our little Shanvi in our lives. So love to all of you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear me. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mimo.
With you and celebrate. Let's eat some birthday cake. Now take a little.
And wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. Please have a few shots from our side and enjoy your lockdown birthday. And hopefully, when things get better, we see you soon. And
What lockdown are you talking about?
I will let.
I know UK में कोई lockdown नहीं है.
Okay. अभी लॉकडाउन है, मुझे मीनू ने कल ही बताया है. श्रेय प्लीज टेक ओवर.
अरे ऐसे ही है, ऐसा कोई लॉकडाउन नहीं चलता वहाँ पे. No one believes in lockdown.
Okay, happy birthday. No, that's not the point, but happy birthday, Mimo. I miss you so much. And whenever possible, please come back and meet us. Have a wonderful year ahead and stay blessed.
For powerful.
8 साल हो गए we haven't met. So I think now we should. So let's plan up something and hope you have a great day. Wish you loads of love and happiness and happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Jackie, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. I just wanted to say that you are such an inspiration to me, especially being in uni now and stuff. And so I'm wishing you a very happy birthday and have a nice day.
Happy birthday, Mimo.
Happy birthday, Mimo di.
Mimo, पता नहीं क्यों तुम्हारे बर्थडे के दिन मैं शानवी को ज्यादा मिस कर रहा हूँ. बट फिर भी तुम्हारा हैप्पी बर्थडे है. सो मेक श्योर दैट शानवी ईट्स अ लॉट ऑफ केक बिकॉज शी लव्स केक्स. एंड thank you so much, Mimo, for both fighting with me and loving me so much. And we all really love you and really miss you. Happy birthday. Enjoy the day.
Yeah, enjoy your day and hope to see you soon. Happy birthday, Masi.
Happy birthday, little sister. I really don't know when we met last. And you know, I'm just longing to meet you because earlier there was one baby, now I have 2 babies to meet. Really miss you guys.
Love you.
My cute little sister has grown up so much that now she has a tiny little baby. But for us, you are always going to be that little tiny baby who kept running around and running behind me saying, Kau didi. I love you, Mimo.
I know we both love you a lot, and we really hope that you always have a super rocking birthday, and this one turns out to be a really cool one.
Birthday, Minto. Happy birthday. Minto, happy birthday. Really miss you, yaar. Have loads of fun on your birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Many birthdays, Mimo Masi.
Happy birthday.
हमेशा शैतान करते रहो, मस्ती करते रहो.
Yes, we're gonna celebrate.
Oh yes, we are. You don't be crazy then. Happy birthday!
For you.
And me more. Mimo.
To you.
Happy birthday, mommy. है ना?
Always stay happy.
Happy birthday.
बेटा कैसे हो? हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You can make a wish right now, blow your candles out, and stay forever young. Everybody sing H to the A to the P P.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम, अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, मीमो की बाहों में मर जाए हम. ए मीमो, हाँ, हैप्पी बर्थडे मीमो. God, Shahrukh could have died after this.
See, so we've practically never met, but that one conversation with you, that too over a text conversation, was enough to make me feel so warm. And I'm so sure that whenever we meet, we're gonna have a fun time. So loads of love to you. Happy birthday once again. We all miss you, and we're really hoping and praying that we all get to meet soon. Fingers crossed.
Happy birthday, Davina. Wish you many returns of the day, and happy birthday from our daughter as well.
Happy birthday, Davina. Have fun and enjoy your special day. Best wishes from Shivangi too.
Wishing you a very happy birthday. May you have a lovely year ahead. And may you prosper in every possible way possible. Keep chilling, and I shall store my shadi food for whenever I meet you.
Hi memes, very happy birthday. Wishing you all the love and happiness, and well, times have been uncertain over the last 1 year, so I hope it all passes and I can see you soon. Miss you, really miss you, sister, and love you.
Birthday all the way. हाँ अब देखो अम्मा भी बोल रही है
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Lots of love.
Many more Shanu brother to you.
हजारों साल के दिन हो
50,000. चलो बच्चे, happy birthday. I'm sure Shanu will have a lot of fun, you will have a lot of fun, and Harvinder too. Bye बच्चों. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mimo. Lots and lots of love from all of us. We are very far off, but we really hope to meet you soon. Meet Shanu, Harbi, all of us together. We're going to have a wonderful time. Wish you a very happy birthday. Bless you and lots of love.
Happy birthday, Mimo Fishy. I hope to see you soon. And I hope to have a lot of fun when I see you.
Yes, we're gonna celebrate on this very special day.
इतनी दूर बैठे हैं, मिलने का मन भी होता है लेकिन मिल नहीं पाते हैं. ठीक है, तुम ठीक रहो, खुश रहो. God bless you.
The sun will shine. Happy birthday to you. Today will be so fine. Happy birthday to you.
Mimo, happy birthday. We are all here to celebrate your 13th birthday, and very happy that very excited that Harbi reached out and for this surprise, and all of us are trying to be here on your birthday. It's actually a snowy day in New Jersey, and while we are all indoors, we are very excited that it's your birthday, and we are trying to do this from where we are. Remote wishes, but straight from our heart. And Mimo, সব থেকে বেশি ভালো যেটা লাগে আমার যেটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে that you and I know that, the kind of closeness that we share. We don't need to speak every day. We don't need to speak every time. I just know that, and you also know too, that when it comes to anything, when it comes to a time, I will be there for you the way you are for me. And we'll be, and I'm very sure that, when we meet, we'll make a lot of memories. And so happy birthday.
It has been an incredible journey, and it would not have been possible where we are without your support, commitment, and most importantly, your love. And the best part is, you are exactly the fun-loving person that you were when I had met you as of today. So stay the same sunlight, sunshine in our lives. Stay the same fun person, and I wish all the success and all the love in the world to you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mimo. I really miss you. Radha, we really miss you. Thank you for all the love, all the happiness, and all the tears that you've given me. Mimo, Sid and I really miss you around the house. And thank you for giving us that lovely bundle of joy. Mama, I really miss you. Come sing.
3, 2, 1.
For your heart so true, and for all the things you do, for powerful, positive, why, oh, you.